Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Windows. So why does this error occur? This is usually because your system is 32-bit or 64-bit and you've basically downloaded the wrong version for your version of Windows. It does happen. So how do you check what version you're running? So go into search, go into settings. Left hand side you'll see system, scroll down, then you'll see about. And right here, the system type, I'm on a 64-bit operating system, so you'll need to download 64-bit software to run on this computer. If you've made sure of that and the error is still happening, what do you do? Well, I'm going to show you. So the easiest way to do that is just to right click and say run as administrator, or you could say properties, compatibility, run this program as administrator, okay, apply. The next thing you want to do is try to run this program in compatibility mode. Try Windows 8. This will solve a couple of different issues. Okay, and if you've done that and still doesn't work, what you want to do is check for corrupted files. It could be a corrupted file. So what do? You go into search, go into command, CMD, command prompt, run as administrator. Hit yes. And type it sfc scan now and scan it. It will take a couple of minutes, but it will go through your entire computer and repair any corrupted system files. Okay. The next step is disable SmartScreen filter. So go into Windows security here. And here you'll see app and browser control, and here you'll see smart app control. Click on smart app control settings. On Windows 10 and earlier versions, this will be called a smart screen filter. Make sure this is off. This does have some problems. And the next thing you want to do is basically check for updates on Windows, of course. So go to Windows updates, settings. Scroll down, you'll see Windows update. Click on check for updates, download it, and install. And the last thing you want to do is just check the app permissions. So right click on it, hit properties, go to the security tab. Now hit advanced, and you'll see the owner basically, and you'll see what kind of access you have. If you do not have full access for whatever reason, you can force the owner to be someone that has full access. So you hit change, and you'll see the system has full access to these files. So you can say system, that's what I want to give access to. That's might change it to the owner. Say okay, and that will give you full access. And that is it. That is how you solve this issue.